So friends, welcome back to DevTrino. As you can see, today we are going to learn how to make Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. These might be engaging to your account and they might bring more followers, as well as you can connect with your existing followers also. Well, before that, please subscribe to our channel as we bring latest apps and website through which you can earn some money. And we'll be posting about stock market real soon. So friends, the easiest way to make a reel is through Canva. We have already used this website for making some YouTube thumbnail or making an normal thumbnail or making any posters or logos, etc. So the easiest way to make a reel is you can find the video option here. We are going to click the video option and we should find this one here. We are going to select this one and create blank. So here you come back and you can find your templates. Here is how I made an YouTube short without much effort. Clicked on the type of background I want. I like this one here, and you can even animate the type you want, like bringing it from down or bringing it from other side. Let's leave that. Let's see how I made an reel. So here you can type what type of reel you want. I'll be choosing this one. Bring it down, click here, decrease the size, move it here or there. Next you can come here to text, click on add a heading, walk and get rewards. You can even choose the type of font you want. I'll choose this or maybe this. So this is how you can change the font. There are additional fonts available. It's better to use the free version of font. Here even in templates also you can see here are pro versions and free versions. If you are using pro version you have to pay. If you wish to pay you can pay. I'm using the free version here and I can move the text here or there. The easiest way again to make it is duplicate it. Change what you wanted to type here. Like here I wanted to type this. Change the color like this. Maybe keep it just white. Now the next thing you can do is through clicking on the templates again. So for the final page where you ask your followers to follow, you can click here on the end frame, and before that click here on add page, click here on end frame and choose this. So we are going to find what we are going to use, and it's loading, and yes, I had previously used this. I'll remove this. You can add here the required, like follow me or your username, any extra logo. Your page logo can be added here. You just need to upload here and just drag it and pull it here and it will get uploaded. And like this you can remove or you can add. Again click on element, click on type, circle, and you can add one more circle here. You can move it like this, or maybe change the color of this like orange or maybe black, something like that. Even you can change the page color also. Here you can click here, click on this or click on some other color, maybe red, maybe blue would go good. Yes, and after that you can click on the time section. If you want to edit you can choose how much long you want. Let's even animate this. You can see here like this type. I'll even use it for this. And let's see how our reels look totally, clicking on the play. So this is how our reel looks like, and you can see that's it. Go to Instagram, put on trending music, and put quality content in this. Go here, click on download in the top right section, and just go put on trending music, upload it, and that's how the easiest way you can make a reel without showing your face. So if you have liked the video, do like, share and subscribe. We'll be posting more great videos of how you can earn money and about stock market also. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you.